In a small town by the sea, a boy named Liam loves to explore the shore and collect seashells. One day, while walking along the beach, he finds an old, rusty bottle half buried in the sand. Curious, Liam opens the bottle and a puff of smoke comes out, revealing a small, friendly genie named Z. Z explains that he is a very old genie with only 3 wishes left to grant before he can retire. But there's a catch. Liam can't wish for anything for himself. He must use the wishes to help others in the town. Liam starts thinking about the people in his town and how he can help them. He uses the first wish to fix the broken lighthouse so that the fishermen can safely find their way home at night. With his second wish, he asks Z to bring rain to the dry fields so the farmers can grow food again. As Liam prepares to make his final wish, he meets a lonely old man who lives at the edge of the town. The man tells Liam that he once had a family, but they moved away long ago, and now he feels forgotten. Liam decides to use his last wish to reunite the old man with his family, bringing them back to the town for a joyful reunion. After granting the 3 wishes, Z thanks Liam and disappears, leaving behind the bottle as a reminder of their adventure. The town is happier and more lively thanks to Liam's kind wishes. And Liam learns that helping others can bring the greatest happiness of all.